Salesforce Advanced Admin Certification dumps20. 31. What should an administrator use as an alternative to a process builder to expedite the time required to update the records? A. Workflow rule field change. B. Batch update. C. Screen flow. D. Before save flow trigger. Answer D. Before save flow trigger. 32. Ursa Major Solar has a training sandbox with 160 megabytes of test data that needs to be refreshed every other day. Which two sandboxes should be used in this instance? Choose two answers: A. Full. B. Partial. C. Developer Pro. D. Developer. Answer C. Developer Pro. D. Developer. 33. CloudKicks needs to automate several updates to lead records and update unrelated records. Select changes should happen every time a record is created or updated, but other changes should only happen when the record is updated. Which two options should the administrator use to automate these updates? Choose two answers. A. Create a process builder that runs when a record is changed. B. Use a decision element with the only if the record that triggered the option. C. Use flow to run as updated to meet the condition requirements. Use formula evaluates to true workflow rule with the isChanged function to make changes when the record is updated. D. Create a flow that runs when a record is created or updated. Answers: B. Use a decision element with the only if the record that triggered the option. D. Create a flow that runs when a record is created or updated. 34. An administrator has found a free app on the AppExchange and would like to install it. Which three items should the administrator take into consideration before installing the managed package? Choose three answers. A. Apps must be installed in production before the app can be installed in a sandbox. B. Apps may require external, third-party web services to function properly. C. Managed apps do not undergo a formal security review by Salesforce. D. Custom objects and custom fields used by the app count against the org's limits. E. Apps may require certain Salesforce additions or features to be enabled. Answers: B. Apps may require external, third-party web services to function properly. D. Custom objects and custom fields used by the app count against the org's limits. E. Apps may require certain Salesforce additions or features to be enabled. 35. CloudKicks, CK, has a field called ShoeType Preference. CK's product team wants to see a report that groups specific picklist values together into one of two lists. What functionality should the administrator use to fulfill the team's request? A. Summary formula. B. PREVGROUPVALUE. C. Bucket field. D. Matrix report. Answer: C. Bucket field. For more information visit this site www.salesforcestart.com.